Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from Genie Guide. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually use the Facebook Messenger application as a complete beginner. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So the first way to actually use Facebook Messenger is, first of all, you simply want to make sure to download the Messenger app. What I'm going to do is I'm going to simply open my App Store. In the search box, I'm going to simply go ahead and type in Messenger and simply make sure we have actually downloaded the app. If you have already downloaded, also make sure to actually update it to the latest version. Now I'm going to simply open it. Now in order to use Messenger, you need to have a Facebook account, but then you can also use Messenger without actually having a Facebook account. That is that after you create a Facebook account, you can deactivate a Facebook account, but choose to keep a Messenger account. But let's say we already have our Facebook account and our Messenger is right over here, as you can see. First thing I'm definitely going to show you is how you can chat with particular member or your friends or maybe some strangers. Now basically how this works is that you have a list of people with whom you have already chatted, and if you want to actually chat, you could also go ahead and simply tap on it. Else, if you want to find some of the active people, you could tap on the people button at the bottom and go to active and go ahead and simply see people who are actually active on Facebook Messenger right now. You could go ahead and simply chat with them if you actually wanted to. You could also simply tap on the search button at the top of the screen to go ahead and search for a certain name on Messenger, so that you actually want to chat with somebody right over here. If you can go ahead and tap on their name, go ahead and simply select a message. Now if you actually want to send a message to someone, I'm going to simply select someone right over here. If you want to send a message, at the bottom you can tap on this text button, go ahead and simply actually tap on the text and then simply hit enter on a keyboard. If you want to send a photo from a gallery, tap on this button right over here which says to share a photo or video. You could go ahead and simply select any of these videos right or photos if you want to send right over here. If you actually want to record a voice, you could tap on it. Now if you want to call this person, at the top right side of the screen you can tap on this call icon and this video call as well. You could go ahead and simply choose any of this, whether you want to FaceTime that person or only actually give a normal call via Messenger. If you tap on the eye icon, you'll be basically given a bunch of options. You can actually change the theme of your chat, you can add nicknames to that person, you could actually also go to the vanish mode. If you want to block that person, at the bottom you can simply tap on the block button and then tap on block messages and calls. Also tap on block on Facebook right over here. If you want to mute them, tap on the mute button right over here and then you can actually mute their calls, their messages and so on. The next thing you can do is actually create a story. In order to create a story, again I'm going to tap on the people button. You can go ahead and simply tap on the plus button which says add to story. You could go ahead and actually tap on any of the buttons right over here or any of the photos or videos which you might actually want to add to your story. Let me select any of the photos, and if I actually want to add some of the effects, you could tap on the brush icon. You could go ahead and add a random text. You could align those texts as per your wish. You could add stickers, you could add emojis, you could also add location, and you could also add music. Now you can also select the privacy for the story by tapping on this gear icon at the bottom left. You could go ahead and actually choose to make the story public or only your friends or only some specific friends, depending on how you want people to see it. If I tap on my profile icon on the top left hand side of the screen, if you want to switch your account, you can tap on the switch account button right over here to go ahead and switch to any of the accounts you have. You could tap on the dark mode button in order to enable or disable the dark mode right over here. Else, you also have some of the message requests. For example, people who are not friends on your Facebook, and if they send you a message, they're going to be basically listed on this page right over here. What you can do is you can also actually turn off your active status if you don't want people to see that you're currently active. You have the orders, such as if you actually post on Facebook Marketplace and so on. You have notifications and sounds if you want to actually customize those options. You have your privacy. You can also add avatars. You could go to data saver. You could upload settings. You could upload contacts from your phones as well. Now basically this is it. We have actually discussed the basic ways to chat, to call, to add stories, to actually send photos or videos, to block someone, to report or to actually restrict that profile, to add storage, to search for someone, to view spam requests or messages and so on. We hope this guide video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.